The room is such a mess. Let me close those cabinets for a second. What's up, guys? Today is a Tuesday, the 7th, I think. 7th of January. Recording a few IG stories for like unboxing a few packages that I received during the holiday, which I didn't get a chance to like post and everything because I was giving myself time out and saying, you know what, I'm not gonna do this, I'm not gonna do this. Have you guys been? I've been alright. I've been doing amazing. One of the products that I really want to try is the Seraphic Skin Elvish Potion, which I really want to try. They said it helps target dark spots, and I do have some here. That one ended, and a few here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have a new friend here, which I do not want to pop. I'm just gonna let it do its thing, live its life, and then hopefully it doesn't leave a scar, because every time I pop I always end up with scars. So I also wanted to share with you guys a few of my notebooks. I don't know if I talked about, I did, I remember. Oh no. Okay, let me tell you guys a funny story. Okay, before the year ended, I had collected a few like clips of what I was up to the last few weeks, including a few shopping, me getting ready to go to an event and whatnot. The BTS shoot with me, Wanjiro, and Shire, and I'm going to leave photos here on the screen so you guys can have a look how those photos turned out. Or if you're not following me on Instagram, go check me out so you guys can have a peek at those photos. But I was sharing in that vlog how I always get like a new notebook every single year, the beginning of every single year, and just use that to plan out my year, write my goals, you know, everything I have to do, just basically putting my life in order. And then when throughout the year I can just go back and recap everything that I've been doing, what's been working, what is not been working, what I need to change, and all that jazz. I did get a planner from Mr. Price. So beautiful. It's like a nice green snake print planner. It was originally $7.50 and I was like, oh, I'm not spending that much on this book. But then the next time I went during like the sales period, like Black Friday and everything, it went down to all the way to $4.50. I was like, you know what, that's good enough. So I got it, and I've actually been really enjoying it. The second thing I got is this cute notebook. Do you see how pretty this is? I found this at Miniso. I was actually in Miniso getting the pump bottle that makes things into the mousse. I don't know, you put like soap in it and then it has like that mousse mechanism thingy. That's what I was getting. Then I saw this notebook. I actually wanted to get the one this is Ice Hat, the blue and yellow lemon notebook that helps you do like the to-do lists and everything, habits and all that stuff. But I was like, I don't need a second notebook which is just as big as this one. I needed something small that would fit like my tiny bags and just on the go. And I found this one, which I'm using for like my content creation, daily planning, the days I'm supposed to upload, and my filming days, and when I have meetings, and when I have shoots, and when I'm meeting this person, everything. So the good thing about this task is basically like every month is different. So that's like December, November, October, September, August. Beginning of every month it has like the calendar, and then like a notes column, and then every day of the week has a column. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, which is actually so creative because then you get to write down like the details you don't need to forget and everything. And the notebook went for $300 only. What I have to do right now is I'm headed out to go do some editing at a friend's house or something, or like plan content for this year, and then I will see you guys later. But first I want to do like a little bit of skincare. I don't know, there's something like movie on this that I do not. Okay, there we go. So now my face is currently clean. I just washed my face with like some Castile soap, and I'll be using the Pixi Glow Tonic. This is like 5% glycolic acid, just to give my face like a toner, if that makes sense. I had this for like a month. I received it on December, like the beginning of December, like December 3rd, 4th, around there, and I've had it for a month, and I've used it, I would say, every single day since. Sometimes 2 times a day, sometimes I have like a pimple there, so I'm not trying to rub. Okay, too late. Wow, I'm so fake. I just told you how I'm not planning to pass that. I really want to try the Seraphic Skin Elvish Potion and just see how it works. I'm gonna do 4 drops. I'm not gonna do any vitamin C because I don't know if you guys knew, but you cannot use niacinamide together with vitamin C because it like cancels each other out. Grab my moisturizer. I want to use a moisturizer with hyaluronic, so I think I'm going to use the one from The Ordinary, and then seal all that with like my oil, my facial oil. This is The Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors with hyaluronic acid. It's like a surface hydration, to be honest. And then this is like a new addition to the team. This is the 4th spray, Fresh AF Mist. It has ginseng, white lily, rose water, and cucumber water, basically for hydration, antioxidants, conditioning, and revived complexion. I've been meaning to try like Colourpop's 43 Beauty, like sister brand. It's like a skincare brand and they're so aesthetic. That's what the bottle looks like. And I just use this to like give myself a nice fresh, and that is practically it. We'll wait for this to dry. My skin looks hydrated. I love this. I love this. And then just to finish everything off, I will be using my Organic Savannah lip balm.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm a piece of who does makeup reviews and blah 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 lifestyle vlogs. I don't do the good stuff that my brother Amin wants me to, but hopefully this year will change and we get that bag, we make that money, yo.
So the other day I mentioned how I wanted to vlog, but you guys always know me, I never come through with this stuff. But today is an exciting day. I'm headed to the museum with a couple of friends. We're gonna go check out a few in Lavington, and I want a few photos. I've worn like a pretty cute outfit, which you guys will see up inside photos somewhere here. But we're gonna go check out some museums and hang out, and then I'm gonna meet my other friend later in the evening and just chill, hang out. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, today is Saturday. So yesterday, I know I didn't talk much. Yeah, we visited two art galleries, which you guys have seen, the Kyoko one and the Circle Art Gallery. It was so fun. I had a good time, took a few photos. But today's Saturday and I'm gonna go get hijama done. I don't know if you guys, the people who are not Muslim on my channel, hijama is cupping, but wet cupping, not like the dry cupping, but the wet cupping. I want to try it out. I'm just trying to get rid of all the bad vibes from 2019, but I'm going to try it out. I've always wanted to try it out and I said I will do it this year, so I'm headed there and I want to bring you guys along with me. I have no makeup on. I just did like my quick skincare for the morning and I have sunscreen on. I think that's why I look a little bit whitish, but it's sunscreen. Hey guys, today is Thursday the 17th of January and I have a meeting with my management at around 2, and then I currently have like this weird sinus thing going on lately. I just keep sneezing and I don't know what the issue is. And at around 6 I have a event to go to. Lancome is launching one of the Idol perfumes, so we're headed there. It's been held at Inti, so I'm gonna go check it out. A nice intimate dinner with the launch and everything, so I'm gonna head there. Let's go. The sun is super bright, but I want to get ready, do my makeup before I get late. It's currently, sorry, that's my makeup bag. So I just finished a part of my makeup and I put like a pink wing. I want to see how it'll turn out. If it doesn't, I'll just do like a pink shadow, but hopefully it turns out good. I look like a floating head because I'm dressed in all black and the sun is all up in my face, but I'll show you guys now once the final look is complete. Okay, I just realized I've been speaking for like 5 minutes without even press recording, but I am finally ready. I decided to do a fun pink liner with like a yellow inner corner. I used a Colourpop Super Shock shadow in the shade Telepathy. Very beautiful. And then I decided to use a Revlon lip stain. This is the Revlon Cushion lip tint. And then my whole outfit is like all white. I'm wearing a white men's shirt that I got from Toy. A few of them are like my silver chains, and then a white jersey scarf. I am wearing my denim skirt and like just like black open-toed heels. So that's the look. The event started at 6 p.m. It's currently 6:13. I'm officially done, so I'm just gonna put on a little bit of perfume and then head out to the event. So when I get there, I will show you guys. I don't know if I should just carry my camera as well. I think I should do that since I'm vlogging. Yeah, let's go. Hey guys, I know the last time you saw me was on Thursday, I think. Did I vlog on Saturday, Friday, Saturday? No, I didn't. I was at the Lancome fragrance launch at NT. It was so beautiful. It was so amazing. I just wanted to let you know how that went by. Obviously, I think if you guys saw the video, they did gift us the perfume itself in the 7. So the perfume came in like 3 sizes, 25, 50, and 75. They gifted us a 75 ml bottle. I really like the smell of this fragrance. It's like playful, youthful, it's flirty, and then it gets a little bit musky like once it stays on for a while. I don't know, I really like this fragrance, and the bottle is so chic. So let me just show you guys. Here's the perfume that they gifted us. Obviously I've opened it, I've tried it on. So beautiful, so amazing. You guys have seen in the vlog like what it looks like and everything, but that's what it looks like. I really like the slimness of the bottle. They told us it is the thinnest bottle that they've ever made, and it retails for 11,700 at Medora, Linton's, I guess, and everything. So you guys can find them in stock. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a small update on the hijama. When the beginning of this vlog, I think I was doing the cupping on my skin, so I wanted to share with you guys how that went. It went super well. Basically what hijama is, it's like wet cupping, meaning like they get the bad blood out of your system. So the places where you ail the most is where the most blood comes out of. Like for me, for example, like my back, my shoulders was like my troublesome area apparently, because of the bruises that it left. Like it left like a really dark brown bruise, but everywhere else was like fine. I didn't like bruise or anything, but I did feel quite light immediately I did it. I didn't feel woozy, which is crazy because I know that happens a lot when people like draw blood, but I didn't feel woozy. I slept like an angel the next couple of days. I still sleep good. I've been sleeping quite early lately, like before midnight, so it's very, I don't know, it really fixed my sleep schedule. I knew my shoulders were my problem areas because usually when I carry like my bag with my laptop camera, whatever, laptop camera and all that stuff, it was like really digging on my shoulders, so that was very helpful. The clinic is in Mugoya, South Sea. It's called Jamil Hijama Center, just right next to the bakery. There's like a staircase on the left of the bakery. On the left of the bakery there is a stairway. You climb up and you just see it right there. The session goes for 4,000 and they get you a clean set of cups every single time. So if you would like to keep the cups, you can keep the cups. You can just tell them, just pack them for me and I'll take them with me, and then you can bring them back for a different session. So it was very nice. The scarring isn't bad. Let me be honest, like most of the scarring is practically gone by now. I know they will be gone. Like my mom has done it, my dad has done it, my brother has done it, and there is no single scar. So I'm sure all the scars would disappear. There wouldn't be like a single sight of a scar. So I'm very happy about that. But the first few days were quite itchy. Oh my god, it was quite itchy, and obviously they're like open wounds, so you're not allowed to scratch them. So what I do is apply olive oil on it and just like pat it, and wear like very loose clothes like a dirah or a bati, and I am good to go. But it was very itchy. But yeah, the itching is gone now. The scarring is like practically gone now. The bruising is completely gone. What's left is those cuts they made with the blade, which, like I said, will disappear in a few. She told me by like 2 weeks the cuts would be completely gone, so I'm not worried. The experience was very good. I really liked it. I think I would probably do it again like in a couple of months, maybe like 6 months, just to see what happens and all that stuff. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap this vlog here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. My plan was a whole completely plan with this vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. This is my first vlog of the year and I can't wait to be making more. I really like vlogging, but sometimes my life is just not as interesting. But yeah, thank you so much guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.